Hello my friend, today I want to introduce one of our new model undermount drawer slider for you, which are very hot selling in America and Vietnam. We also call the American undermount drawer slider concealed slider. Here it is two-fold undermount drawer slider. The thickness is 1.4 and 1.4 thickness. Look at its working performance. Soft close smoothly and silently. Also have oil in it. Regarding to the loading bearing for a two-fold undermount drawer slider is 25 kg. Look at this. Compared with our common undermount drawer slider, you can see this is drilling hole plate, but this bottom part no drilling hole plate, so we use the plastic plate to replace the iron plate, drilling hole plate. This is American top. This one is very special compared with common ones. Only two lengths, one is 21 inch, another is 18 inch. As this is its handle, two-fold undermount drawer slider, balloon type handle. If you do not need handle, also can use adjusting nail. It is also okay. Now we also have three-fold one. Let me show you. Compared with former two-fold undermount drawer slider, the three-fold one is loading bearing is much larger. Its loading bearing is 35 kg. The thickness is 1.2, 1.5, 1.8 millimeter. Also, this is American type plastic drilling hole plate. This is three-fold. Let's check its soft closing function. Let me show you. Soft close smoothly and silently. This one buffer is a plastic buffer. You can see. It's also equipped with the compared to the former one. Its handle is grey handle. If you do not need a handle, the adjusting nail also okay. This undermount drawer slider, American undermount drawer slider, also thread length is very special. Only three lengths, 15 inch, 21 inch, and 18 inch. So for some special use, three-fold undermount drawer slider. Soft closing function. Let's check it. Soft close smoothly. This plastic plate replaces the former drilling pattern hole, acts as this function. American type.